Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing transformation that will change how you look at a common spark plug forever. I'm using WD-40 to loosen up all the carbon buildup and grime that accumulates during its normal use. I'm giving it a good scrub with an old toothbrush. You want to make sure all the nooks and crannies are spotless. After brushing, I'm wiping it down with a clean tissue to remove any remaining residue. See that? It's looking much better already. Next, I'm securing the spark plug into my drill. I'm doing this to stabilize it because I need to work on the tip with precision. This setup allows me to rotate it evenly, which is vital for the upcoming modification. Using a metal file, I'm carefully grinding down the very tip of the spark plug. Next, I'm taking a length of red electrical wire and stripping a section from one end to expose the copper strands. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll carefully wrap this stripped end around the top terminal of the spark plug, then use my pliers to cinch it down tightly, making sure we have a secure electrical contact. At the other end of the red wire, I cut and stripped a longer section of the insulation to expose the copper wires inside. I will secure this copper wire to the threaded part of the spark plug and tighten it. Moving on, I'm grabbing a piece of PVC pipe. I'll measure and mark a section. This segment will form the handle of our tool. I'm using pipe cutters to get a clean, straight cut right where I marked it, ensuring a neat and professional finish. Now, I'm marking a spot on the cut PVC pipe. Then, I'm carefully drilling through the pipe. Accuracy here is important so that the spark plug fits snugly and securely. I'm using a utility knife to clean up the edges of the drilled holes. I'm preparing an extra, longer red wire and stripping off the outer insulation. I'm attaching this red wire to the center electrode and tightening it. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now for assembling the main body. I'm inserting the modified spark plug into the drilled hole in the PVC pipe. To lock it in place, I'm adding a generous amount of hot glue around the spark plug's base where it meets the pipe. This not only secures it, but also adds a layer of insulation, preventing any accidental electrical contact. I'm now taking apart this terminal block. I'm removing these small brass inserts, as they will serve a very specific purpose later on. They're excellent conductors and will be perfect for our heating element. After that, I'm attaching this brass insert to the sharpened tip of the spark plug using a tiny screw, ensuring a super tight and reliable connection. This will be the main contact point for heat transfer. I'm carefully disassembling a dead AA battery to extract the carbon rod from inside. This rod is made of graphite, which is an excellent conductor and will be the actual heating element of our tool. After removal, I'm cleaning the carbon rod to prepare it for further modification. I'm inserting the carbon rod into the drill. I'm using the metal file again to shape its tip. I want a fine point to allow for concentrated heat, which will be essential for welding application. This step truly transforms a simple carbon rod into a functional heating element. I'm now fitting the sharpened carbon rod into the brass insert from earlier. At the other end of the red wire, I'm attaching a metal washer. This washer will act as another contact point for our circuit. Now, I'm preparing an alligator clip with a white wire. This creates a solid ground connection for the heating circuit, which is vital for safe and efficient operation. It's important to make sure the connection is secure to avoid any loose circuits. With our tool ready, I'm connecting it to a Makita 18V battery. The white wire connects to one terminal of the battery, and the red wire from the spark plug assembly connects to the other terminal. This completes our circuit, making the tool ready for action. You can see the carbon tip heat up and glow brightly, creating sparks. The tool is now powered on and ready to go. First, I will connect these two red wires together. I'm carefully touching the tip of our homemade device to the thin copper wires. Watch closely. See how it instantly glows red and then cleanly melts? This is the power of concentrated heat from our repurposed spark plug. Let's demonstrate another use for our amazing heating tool. I'm attaching a nut onto the bolt and preparing to weld. As I touch the spark plug tool to it, Observe how quickly the metal begins to glow red hot. It's truly amazing what a bit of ingenuity can achieve. Our incredible multifunctional electric welding tool, made from a simple spark plug and a few common items. This DIY project proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve truly surprising things and give old items a brand new purpose. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.